Hi guys, so we're back again for another unboxing thing. This is, I just wanted to try this one out. This is a tank canister tank puncher. So basically when you're done using your gas canister, the disposable one, of course you need to dispose it, but before you do that you need to punch it or make a hole in it to prevent any accidents or whatsoever. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is gonna be worth it, because I was thinking maybe you can just get a nail, maybe a hammer, and then make a hole in it. But yeah, let's check this out. It's just a pretty small thing. So yeah, this is basically it. Crab pliers, camping moon. Okay. So yeah, as I've mentioned, this is just like a piece of metal here. You put this or you screw it into any metal or wood, and then maybe you just have to insert this part here to the gas canister, and then you pinch it or you punch it, you make a hole in it. So yeah. You'll see.